What's going down, y'all? It's your boy Raz, man. We back with another one on the way I see it. We about to get into this A Millie God Alone reaction and see what it's hitting for. This was, one of the suggestions down in the comments. So and I already did A Millie once, so you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna go ahead and see what bro hitting for. The last one I fuck with the last one. The last one was cool. So yeah, let's see what bro got.
Yeah.
Active music.
Everything me have from my mother own. Beat any till it starts in my collarbone. Only God alone can make me pull the banger phone. Verb and unknown trouble come and stand a ground, yo. Active, more I live forever, chop it dial and flip. Make it a laggle it, me no carry one hit. Do the dash, nada with me, make it skate chuck fit. Away you know about this, yeah. We go the police, and that's why I put snow up on my wrist. They can't style this, no matter how you try that. Them envy, them just want to see high lock. Wacky captain the ship, I feel the plane, me the pilot. Take a girl, no, I'm body, I go wire that the man full of car, mother page. Mommy girl, have it side pocket, not for average. Yeah. I don't know. Always be skeptic of friends. They will betray you much quickly. Real thing. Yeah. What you wait for? If I put talent alone, I'll be a waiter. Chop my chapel line, put money on paper. I have one catty, but my page get big, girl. We bring the flames like bacon. I want the pagan, body not the bait long. We godly, but we roll like Satan. Travel with the matic in a pain land. I from Kingston to Spain, I go here long. Yeah. How you know about this? Hey, I'm a code switch, I put my pain on flow. I ain't ever see you, my girl. They know that's a star alone, they come on a show. Yeah. Yeah. I top life, top gas. Everything me have from my mother own. Beat any till it starts in my collarbone. Only God alone can make me pull the banger phone. Verb and unknown trouble come and stand a ground, yo. Active, more I live forever, chop it dial and flip. Make it a laggle it, me no carry one hit. Do the dash, nada with me, make it skate chuck fit. How you know about this, yeah. I spam my wrist, they can't style this. No matter how you try that. Them envy, them just want to see high like. I walk the captain the ship, I feel the plane, me the pilot. Take a girl, know what body, I go wire that. Them on the full of car, what the price. Move my girl, service, say no, she can't have it. Yeah, yeah, I hear me. Yeah. Keep moving.
All right, that was cool. That was cool. Hey Millie, he give me like a kind of like a Dirk vibe, maybe. Like when where he talking about struggle, you know what I'm saying, and things that's going on. And like even I heard him, certain things in there where he's saying like everything he got he owed to his mom, I think is what he said. Um, so he talking about the struggle and I guess a little bit of coming out of that. Um, but the auto tune and make it a little bit. I don't know if it's auto tune or what's on top of it, but to make it a little bit harder, just a little bit harder to understand. But bro got it, man. It seemed like he got a nice following too. With in a couple days, you know, he getting 100,000 views in a couple days. So he got a nice following for sure. You know, bro got something going on. Um, there was something in there that he said that I was trying to figure out what it meant exactly. Um, Man, I can't call it. Let me. Yeah. I'm gonna think of it on the next one or something because I hear it a lot in the songs. Um, One thing too is Chopper. Chopper is. I know Chopper is like a hustler, but are they saying Chopper too, like a chopper, like a AK or like a like a Draco or something, or chop like the same thing, like shooting? You know what I'm saying? I can't tell sometimes when they be switching it back and forth. I know they be talking about putting ice on their wrists all the time, so I'll be catching that. It's like they all got snow on their wrist, they got ice on their wrist. They they fucking with the bling. So, but yeah, let me know a couple things about the. Yeah, I fuck with A Millie, he pretty cool. Let me see. Let me go and subscribe to bro stuff. You know what I'm saying? If I'm gonna be watching their videos and reacting to it, at least I could do is subscribe and like. You know what I'm saying? It don't cost nothing to do that. But yeah, man, go check out A Millie, God Alone, man. That shit, it was cool. It was a nice little vibe. Especially, if you want some chill shit, you just trying to kick it and, kick back and smoke on something chill type shit. So, yeah, man, check it out. It's your boy Raz, man. The way I see it, man. I'm going to see y'all on the next one.